Nante Nicholas here again from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I am over here at 8923 East Fairway Wood Circle here in Coosa Preserve. Today it is my open house between 11 and 2, so if you know anyone who's looking for a massive home with massive views, please come see me. I want to give you a quick peek before anybody starts walking in of this beautiful home I'm talking about. It sits over a golf course. Wait, let me get it right. 13th hole of the golf course. Also backed up to a saltwater pool. So real quick, let's look. To start. Oh, look at this. That's unique. North, south, east, west. And these are precise. Beautiful, isn't it? And to your right, you'll have a beautiful dining room. Look at the chandelier. It's beautiful. Everything is like massive. You have columns here, open off, so nothing is obstructed as we go through. It's 2 floors, but I'm just going to show you one for now before anyone walks in. This is one of my favorite rooms, the second favorite room. I'll show you my first one. This is a beautiful open family room with high ceilings. Look how low the fan hangs, but look how much space you still have. Look at that. Again, unique. Look at the cabinet work. Beautiful in the wall cabinets. In the wall 75-inch TV with a beautiful fireplace. You can't beat it. Now, here we come to some of my favorite parts. Let's go over here first before I take you out to the porch. This is the kitchen nook. Easy and beautiful, simple. And this is the kitchen space right here. Just enough kitchen and counter and cabinet space. You know why? Doesn't need to be huge, because if it was, you would miss this right here. Look at all the windows. All the windows that lead out to this beautiful 3-season room out here. Look at that. Look at the work and the tile. Over here, this is one of my favorite spaces. Look how beautiful that is. Has speakers already out here, a fan, but look, this is what I'm talking about. From left completely to right, unobstructed views of the golf course. And yes, we are over the 13th hole. Oh, let's not mention the saltwater pool below, right? Here we go. If that's not good enough, we still have room for a deck. A good-sized deck. Enough for table, chairs, grill. So you have plenty of space out here. What a way to spend your summer, right? Or even winters, because it's cozy inside. Isn't it gorgeous? So once again, if you know anyone who's looking for a grand home with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, who want to stay on a golf course, not to mention, please come and see me. I'm at 8923 East Fairway Wood Circle here over in Coosa Preserve. Be blessed. Faith and family. Bye-bye.